how to take care of the copyright claims that you can get on your YouTube videos. Okay, this is one type of copyright claim. It says this video has a potential limitation. Copyright protected content was found in this video. This doesn't affect the video at the moment, but you will start but if you start earning from YouTube, you will have an impact on your earnings. So this video at present, the copyright strike is not a problem, but in future it could become a big problem. So let's go there and let's take some corrective measures instead of deleting the video. So we go to view details. In view details, you will see that what has happened. The copyright claim on the video doesn't affect your channel. It's not a strike, okay, but whatever it is it's an audio. It is an audio claim. Okay, this claim doesn't restrict your video at the moment, but we can take action. Let us take action so that we don't face problem with this video. So we go to take action. In take action, what we must do, we must say erase song. I think if we get rid of the song, which is the background music, it will solve the problem. So we press erase song and say continue. So wherever that song has played, okay, it shows this is the section of the video that the song has played. So what we have to do, we have to go here, remove the claim song in all detected segments while keeping other sounds such as speech. So we are going to remove this sound part of it. We are going to remove. Okay, do not select this one, mute all sounds, then the whole purpose of the video will be lost. Just we stick to this erase sound and we say save. Now it says it may take a few minutes or hours. Okay, that's fine, no problem. Let it take your own sweet time. By the time we come tomorrow and check in the channel, the strike should have gone. So we say I acknowledge and we say confirm changes. Now it says video editing is in progress, whatever. Okay, that's all. Now we will come back to the channel tomorrow and take a look at it. So now we have logged back into the account after a few hours and we see, what do we see? This is the video which had the copyright strike earlier, and what we have done to correct it has worked. Okay, so because the notices over here shows that this video is okay, right? So there is no more copyright notice. So what the hack worked? Okay, so this is what we can follow for most of the audio copyright notices. This will not work for copyright strike, because on a strike it's a different thing. The procedure is different. I will demonstrate that in a different video. In this particular case, it was not a strike, it was a notice. So it was like a warning. So in order to avoid any future complications, we got rid of the warning, and it worked for us.